Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you a warm chicken salad. It can be served cold also. It is a very healthy and delicious salad. So I've used parsley in this recipe. So parsley chicken salad is what I'm going to be preparing now. So here I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I've prepped and reserved for this salad recipe. I'll be using finely chopped parsley, which is wash thoroughly ahead of time, and I've finely chopped it and reserved. Here I'll also be using parsley leaves. If you cannot find parsley, please use coriander. There is a difference between coriander and parsley. Parsley is slightly a rougher textured greens, whereas coriander is very soft and the texture is very good here in India, and the parsley has a different flavor altogether, and the coriander does not have that sort of flavor. This flavor is completely different from the coriander. I've also washed and reserved my boneless chicken pieces. This is completely drained and reserved. I'll be using boneless chicken for this recipe. You can use thigh or breast portion. We'll also require lime, finely chopped ginger, garlic, sliced onion, sliced bell peppers is what I'll be using. Now I've heated a wok on medium flame. I'm going to start cooking my chicken. The chicken pieces are chopped into tiny pieces, and it is easy for the chicken to cook faster. So here I've added sesame oil, and once the sesame oil has reached temperature, I've added finely chopped ginger, garlic, finely chopped chili, and I fried all the ingredients. Once the raw flavor from the ginger and garlic has reduced, I've added my chicken pieces. We will fry the chicken for 2 minutes. The chicken pieces are into tiny pieces, so it will cook fast. Now here I'll be adding water. I'll add chili flakes, pepper powder and salt. We'll cook the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and tender. We'll cover it and cook it. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with my detailed blog post and all my social media handlings will be in the description box below this video. I have also posted the same recipe in Tamil. My Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now, increasing your spice level is up to you. You can add 2 to 3 chilies, and you can add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder as per your preference, and cook the chicken. So now once I've placed the cover and allowed the chicken to cook completely, you can see the chicken has released a lot of moisture. At this point, I've added my finely chopped parsley. Now I'll place it on high flame and cook the chicken till the moisture is completely evaporated. And the parsley will also release a lot of flavors. I really enjoy that flavors. Now this is on very high flame. I'm frying the chicken. Once the moisture has completely sort of evaporated, that is when I'll be adding my bell peppers. So I'll fry the bell peppers with the chicken, and I'll cook the bell peppers for another 2 to 3 minutes, because when you're serving the salad for elderly people, the digestion is very tough for them, and even for kids. So for elderly people and kids, they cannot have raw vegetable. It's highly recommended to fry it and then serve. Now I'll be adding pepper powder. These bell peppers are completely not cooked. It has got that crunchy texture, but it is stir fried. Now I've layered my plate with lettuce. You can also use shredded cabbage. Just layer your plate with some leafy greens and sprinkle some salt and pepper on it. Now I'll layer it with some sliced onions and the chicken that I prepared. Once you prepare the chicken, you have to serve it warm immediately. The lettuce leaves will wilt down, and it will release a lot of moisture. So it is better to serve it right away. Otherwise, you will have to serve your chicken cold on the lettuce. This salad can be served cold and it can be served warm. It's as per your preference. Now here I've served my chicken on the bed of lettuce. Turned out so good. I really enjoyed it. Give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes, and do share my recipes with your friends and family. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.